Hello students. Now we will discuss the new chapter aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. Okay. So we have already know the nomenclature of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid in the first year. Okay. So nomenclature of aldehyde. Suppose this one CH3, CH2, CHO. CHO group is a aldehyde group. Okay, so numbering is from here 1, 2, 3. There are 3 numbers of carbon atom. That means propane, and the aldehyde group is present in the carbon number 1. So propane 1, L. L is the suffix for aldehyde. Okay. Similarly, this one, this is the longest chain containing the containing the aldehydes. Okay, and this 1, 2, 3. There are 3 numbers of carbon atom in the longest chain, and in the 2 position, methyl group is here. So 2 methyl. This one 2 methyl, propane 1 L. Okay, these are the nomenclatures. Now next example. This is unsaturated aldehyde. Unsaturated carbon, these are the unsaturated carbon atom, and that is called alkene, and numbering is from the aldehyde position 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of carbon atom 4. That means what? Butane, but it is not butane. Carbon double bond is there. So butene. So but 2 in 1 L. So 2 in means the double bond is the position of the double bond is 2, and 1 L means the position of aldehyde group is 1. Okay, so these are the nomenclature of aldehyde. So now second one is ketone. So for example, this is ketone. When there are 2 R group or alkyl group, these are the alkyl group, are attaching to the carbonyl carbon atom, this one carbonyl carbon atom, then this is called ketone functional group. So the name of this compound is, there are 3 numbers of carbon atoms, that means propane, and the position of carbonyl group is 2. This is 1, 2, 3. So propane 2 or propanol. Okay. So these are the nomenclature of ketones. Let us take a second example. This one. This is also a ketone. So numbering is from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the 2 position, carbonyl group is introduced. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers of carbon atom. That means butane 2 ohm. That means butanol, but the position of carbonyl group is 2. So butane 2 ohm. Okay, these are the examples of nomenclature of ketone. So now preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So first preparation is from alcohol. So আমি এটা চাম এলকহলৰ পৰা কেনেকৈ এলডিহাইড পাব পাৰো. Okay, so oxidation, when alcohol is oxidized, this is alcohol. Okay, primary alcohol. When oxidized with PCC, PCC is the weak oxidizing agent. Then RCHO, this is aldehyde. So aldehyde is formed. Okay, but when alcohol is treated with a strong oxidizing agent, that means K2Cr2O7 in presence of H3SO4, then this is PCC is the weak oxidizing agent, and K2Cr2O7 is what? Strong oxidizing agent. Important thing is that when primary alcohol is weak oxidizing agent, then aldehyde is produced, and when primary alcohol is with strong oxidizing agent, then the product is a carboxylic acid. Okay, RC=OOH. Okay, so this is the oxidation of alcohol. And number 2 is dehydration of alcohol. Dehydrogenation of alcohol. Dehydrogenation means removing of hydrogen in presence of copper 573 Kelvin. Okay, when primary alcohol is treated with copper in presence of this temperature, then aldehyde is the product. So similarly, when secondary alcohol, this one secondary alcohol, there are two R group attaching to the alpha carbon atom. So when secondary alcohol is treated with this one, copper in presence of 573 Kelvin temperature, then the product is ketone. Okay, here dehydrogenation takes place. Dehydrogenation means removing of hydrogen atom. Okay, there are two hydrogen atoms removed. This is removing of hydrogen atom takes place, and product is the ketone. So similarly, in the case of oxidation of alcohol, when secondary alcohol is treated with PCC or any of weak oxidizing agent, then the product is a ketone. In this case also dehydrogenation takes place. Okay, now another preparation of aldehyde is what? Rosenman reduction. Rosenman reduction. So Rosenman reduction is what? Acid fluoride. This one acid fluoride is treated with hydrogen gas. Catalyst is what? Palladium in presence of barium sulfate. This one, the product is an aldehyde. Okay, this reaction is called Rosenman reaction. So similarly, an R group is attaching a phenyl group. This is benzoyl chloride. Okay, benzoyl chloride is treated with this one, Rosenman reagent, hydrogen palladium in presence of barium sulfate. Then what is the product? Benzaldehyde. Okay, and what is the side product? Side product is what? HCl. In the other subdivision, side product is also HCl. Side product is also HCl. Okay, see this one H2 hydrogen molecule. Okay, so one Cl atom and one hydrogen atom is replaced. This is the side product, and this hydrogen atom is introduced to this carbon. Okay, so this is about the Rosenman
reduction. Thank you.